Okay guys, 2021 Genesis GV80. It's 2.5. Start it up for you. Number. Power folding mirrors. Lane assist. Let me start it up for you. $43,000 miles on it. All your steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise, steering, heated, cooled seats, key, remote start, auto hold, locking diff, downhill descension. Backup camera, 360 camera. All your different options. Genesis, you can pretty much adjust anything. Very technological car. This does have the Lexicon sound system. Subwoofers underneath the seat. Has the shades. Really cool seat pattern. Power. Just the seats from the back. Power lift gate. Power controls back here. Spare tire. This is a rebuilt title. Did have rear end damage. They end up replacing the whole body. Rear damage is tough to kind of cut apart, so they literally replaced the whole body. So if you Google the VIN and see the pictures of the damage, it was a white vehicle. It is the same vehicle, just different body. Built the right way. Such a good looking front end on here. Dual sunroof. You can check out all cars that TJ Chapman has to offer on my YouTube channel. Just search TJ Chapman. This car will be listed at $39,900.